Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's MadSC here. So today I'm going to build a battery level indicator for 3.7 to 12 volt. Let's have a look at the components. LM324 IC, 4 LEDs, 2 volt Zener diode, 100 ohm resistance for this 4 volt circuit, 10 kilo ohm resistance and 4 10k presets. Better to use trimmer pots, but I'm going to use this normal one and a 0 PCB. Let's have a look at the circuit diagram, and you can change that 100 ohm resistance according to your battery, I mean 6 volt or 12 volt battery. Let's start mounting and soldering. I done this circuit off camera, and these are the battery wires I connected with my variable power supply. You can use a lithium battery, just charge that battery or discharge that battery at that set levels. I set the full charge voltage at 4.11 volt, as you can see in the multimeter, and let's just calibrate these LEDs. So I'm going to calibrate the first LED with this potentiometer. Just turn this potentiometer until the LED is start to glow. So let's turn that. And the first LED is calibrated properly. Now let's move towards the second LED. Just set the voltage for the second LED. I mean around 70% charge. So I'm going to set that at 3.90. So let's turn this potentiometer. And let's move towards the third LED for around 40% charge, and I'm going to set it around 3.7078 volt. So let's calibrate this LED. This one is also done, and the last one I'm going to set it around 3.50 volt. At that voltage the lithium battery is almost fully discharged. You can use trimmer pots, they are much precise. And this one is also done. Now I'm going to test the circuit that it's working or not. Let's see. And let's increase the voltage. And as I mentioned before, you can use multi-turn trimmer presets instead of this normal presets to get much precise values for the voltage levels, but they are a bit expensive and not needed for this project, so I don't use them. Generally I use them for precise projects, so you can try them, they are really good. So as you can see, the circuit is really working fine. And thanks for watching guys. For more videos and updates, just hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon. If you want a variable power supply video, just check out here.